Hi, first graders. I'm going to model for us some of our syllabication today. So this is when we write a 2 or more syllable word, and then we're going to do our markings. This week we've been working on words with CK. Remember, when we see CK together, it makes one sound. It makes the K sound. Let's look at some 2-syllable words with CK. The first word is back up. Back up. I'm going to write the first syllable, back. B, a, k, back. The second syllable, up. P, up. Now I have the word back up. I'm going to take my red marker and do our syllabication. The first thing I do is I find my vowels. I draw a bridge between the vowels, and then my consonants sit on the vowel. Here, CK makes one sound, so there's just one consonant here. Then I draw my line after the consonant. I've got my first syllable, back, my second syllable, up. Now I have to figure out what kind of syllables they are. In the syllable back, the A is short. It says ah. This is a closed syllable. In up, the U says it's short. It's not at the end. This is a closed syllable. Closed, closed. Let's look at another word. The next word we're going to do is the word bucket. Bucket. My first syllable is buck. B, a, k, buck. Second syllable, et. Bucket. Let's do our markings. Vowel, vowel, bridge. Remember, CK says one sound, so it's one consonant. Draw my line after. My first syllable is buck. Second syllable, et, just like we wrote. Short U here makes this a closed syllable. Short E here says This is a closed syllable. Closed, closed. Let's do one more word. The word is backpack. Backpack. My first syllable, back. B, a, k, back. My second syllable, pack. P, a, k, backpack. Let's do our markings. Vowel, vowel, bridge. Here I have consonant, consonant. When we have a word like this, the line goes through between the consonants. Now, my first syllable, back, short A, closed syllable. Pack, short A, closed syllable. Here's another closed, closed word.